Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how to block a profile in Instagram. Write in the comments, did you succeed in my way to do or not? I'll be sure to read and reply to everyone. Thanks for watching. Watch the video to the end. Let's get started. Let's go to Instagram. And then in the lower right hand corner, we're gonna go to your profile. Now we click on the three bars at the top. Then we're going to go to Settings and Privacy. And then we'll scroll down to the bottom and we'll find a tab called Account Privacy. Now, in order for us to make it private, which is to block it, we need to click this slider to the right and click Switch to Private. After that, we were able to lock our Instagram profile with this simple move on any device and on any account. But if you helped and liked this video, then you can subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.